Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'll be showing you how to install your Contour ROM 2 camera to your V-Force Grill Paintball Mask. So what you need is a goggle or hat mount, a bicycle tire tube, and a pair of scissors. So next what you do is you cut approximately 1 inch of the tire tube. Okay, and then you want to install this onto the hat mount. As you can see there is a little gap in space where you could insert the tire tube right there. Okay, so we'll be installing it in there. So just slide it through. Okay, so just keep sliding it until it's in the middle. And what you have to do next is make sure you tuck this underneath like so. So the tube is tucked in inside there. Okay, just like that. Next you want to put this two together by inserting this through the rubber right here. So just slide it through in. Like so. Slide. And then there you are. So all you have to do now, slide this in. Okay, like so. And then just lock it in. It's fully locked in there. It's not going anywhere. Install the clip, the mounting clip. Slide this in. Okay, make sure it's locked. And then you could also attach the locking attachment that came with the camera. Tie it up where the strap is, just in case if the camera falls off from the mount. Okay, now all you have to do is just install the camera. Make sure it's well aligned. Okay, and there you are, guys. Okay. So here's a sample of the camera on my mask.